Robots are awesome, and they're everywhere. Let's take a look at some of the exciting things that are being achieved with robotics. So, robotics is really cool, but it can also be really intimidating. I mean, honestly, it can often be hard to know where to begin with so many types of robots out there. It's true, there are millions of different robots that do countless different functions, and yet they are almost all based on the same few principles, and in many cases, the same few electronic devices. In this class, we're going to explore the core concepts behind almost all robotics, and you are going to build your first robot. You don't need any prior knowledge, and I think you will find that building a robot isn't nearly as intimidating as it seems. Robotics is simpler than it may seem because at the heart of almost every robot is the same thing: microcontrollers. Microcontrollers are tiny little computers. They're kind of like a simplified version of what's in your laptop or phone. Unlike your phone, however, these tiny computers can be used to control almost any electronic components. You can connect lights, motors, sensors, speakers, and more. The microcontroller is like the brain of the robot. One of the most common and easy to use microcontrollers is called Arduino. You should have an Arduino in the kit I sent you. It looks like this. Here's how it works. The Arduino has a bunch of different connectors, or pins as they're often called. You can plug lots of different electronics into these pins. The electronics are then controlled with the microprocessor. You connect your laptop to the Arduino with a USB cable, and then use software to tell the Arduino what to do. You can program the Arduino to do anything from turning on and off lights to spinning motors and much more by sending it code. Your laptop tells the Arduino what to do, and the Arduino tells the other electronic parts what to do. Almost any robot can be controlled with an Arduino microprocessor. This little robot bug here has little legs that walk around and is controlled with this Arduino microprocessor right here. This here is a giant robotic camera arm. It is the size of a car and has immensely powerful motors designed to swing an object up to 30 feet in the air. At first glance, it looks nothing like this tiny little robot bug. But when we take a closer look, we see that they both use Arduino microprocessors at the center of the robot. In this class, you will be building a robot car. Not only will it be able to drive around, but it will also be able to see and avoid obstacles using an ultrasonic sensor. If there's interest, you will also get to build a high-tech laser piano. Everything we're going to do in this class is going to be based on Arduino, and today we're going to be creating our first Arduino program by programming it to blink a light. And now, it's robot building time. Do the robot, do the robot, robot, do the robot, robot, do